Hmm. Uh, Taking that little walk cleared my mind. Just a little fresher, me, and just my thoughts. Nothing, and I mean nothing, can go wrong. Nothing can go wrong. I can just walk and breathe. Nothing can go wrong. Boom. Wait, what's that? Wait, what's that? Funny Bone! Hey. Funny Bone, I have crazy news to tell you. Wait, where's Funny Bone? Hey. Oh, okay. Maybe another cat, but I'm gonna jump it. How did you even jump that? Trey, okay, just can you explain why you was lying him? Okay, he's a short but quick answer. And ain't you? We got some knowledge about the guy, and we have now know what happened to him. He lied. He never worked with Sunner. He never worked with someone or captured by him. He was he was under his hood. Well, we better tell them this. No. Wait. Yeah. Is the other jetpack bro here? Yeah? Good. Just point me to the way where they are. Okay? Wait, Small Dash, why are you here? Did you left dumping? No. You know the guy that's here? He's not. Sunred didn't hurt him. He was Sunred's protege. What?